Hey, I'm Jacob from Savant. If you've worked in Alteryx, you know bringing data in is just step one, but it's also where the headaches can start. In Alteryx, you connect file by file, and sharing workflows often means broken connections, missing dependencies, and a messy upload process to the server. In Savant, input is handled through reusable datasets. You start by connecting to a system. This is your source, like Snowflake, Salesforce, Excel, or any of our 200 plus supported systems. Then you create a dataset which defines what you're pulling from that system, a specific table, sheet, view, or query. Once a dataset is configured, you can add it to any analysis and start building right away. If you need to swap a source, update an authentication, pull from multiple systems, or bring in the latest file every day from a folder, Savant handles it dynamically, without extra tools or custom macros. Alteryx can get your data in, but Savant gets it in smarter, with dynamic connections, endless system variety, and zero collaboration headaches.